Hi, I am Dennis Parlato, and I am playing the role of Ulysses.
Hi, I'm Regina Pugh, and I'm playing Emma in ETC's production of Annapurna. Annapurna is a play about a married couple that have been separated for 20 years. There is an event that happened 20 years ago, and they each seem to have different interpretations of what that event was. There is a new event that has also happened that has caused them to come back together in this really unexpected way.
He didn't expect to ever see her again, so he's shocked and she's amazed for other reasons. But anyway, it's a powerful beginning moment.
Emma grew up in Massachusetts. She's a Barnard College girl. So she's highly educated, she's smart, she is efficient in what she does, she's very driven. She cares deeply about the people in her life and will do anything necessary to protect the people that she loves.
Ulysses is a stubborn character. He's a very good cowboy poet. While he's engaging and got an ornery sort of wit to him, he is very stubborn. Perhaps he has the tendency to view himself as the victim, when that may not necessarily be the case. So I think I'll leave it at that and just have you come and see what I'm talking about.